technical sub-team leads to talk about this year's innovation. Thank you, Arjun. Hi, everyone. My name's Josh.
It still says upcoming.
Pushing innovation and driving sustainability in the
Say,
EV
like,
industry.
Start time.
Taking
It says
that,
12 p.m. What do you think?
I'd like to hand it off to our electrical team, Oscar and Morgan.
This is excellent.
Thank you, Josh.
Instead
Wait, it
of
says
no
the-
Thank you,
Wait,
Josh
no,
and
no, it's
Jason.
not.
I'm Oscar.
It's live. It's just not showing the video. It says live.
Can you hear any?
Oh wait. It's just delayed. Oh, perfect.
Now, I'd like to turn it over to some of our technical sub-team leads to talk about this year's
Wait,
Wait, this is
innovation.
tough. This
So
is
we're
good.
good. So we're actually.
Hi, I'm Josh.
That's actually seriously.
I can hear stuff here too.
Pause the broadcast, like
Pause
not
it?
end it, but like. Oh wait, just like hide.
I can stop
Just to
streaming.
hide.
Sure.
Yeah. There you go.
You can. It's also like it's still playing audio, right?
Now, I'd like to turn it over
Yeah.
My name is Arjun Sharma, and it's my genuine pleasure to serve as this amazing on behalf of Penn Electric Racing. Thank you so much for celebrating. Today is about so much more than just unveiling a simple race car. Today is about revealing what happens when a group of students decide that their education matters more than just lecture halls, problem sets, and ideas on paper. It's about what becomes possible when students choose to build, to test, to fail, to learn, and to get back stronger the next day, determined to build something real. This spirit truly encapsulated. PER is a student-run organization at the University of Pennsylvania. We design, build, and race an electric car from scratch every single year. We compete in Formula FSAE, an international engineering competition where students across the world are challenged not just to build a fast race car, but to build a race car that reflects real engineering excellence. Whether that's performance, reliability, manufacturability, business strategy, or teamwork. But to us, this team has always been more than just competition. The 5,000 plus components you're about to see today are the product of so many hours of hundreds of hours of hard work that often go early mornings in the shop or nights that run far later than planned. They're the direct product of people who care deeply, not just about building a better race car, but building each other into better engineers, better leaders, and better teammates. This is exactly what makes Penn Electric Racing so special. We're a collection of students from diverse backgrounds and interests, all united under a shared standard of excellence. On this team, mechanical, electrical hardware, electrical software, and operations all come together under one common goal, and that's to build something extraordinary. Each year, that challenge asks more of us. This year was no such exception. We worked extremely hard to have an aggressive timeline to ensure that REV11 was 100% tested and rolled. That's the fastest completion time in the entire team's history while still pushing the boundaries of innovation. Thank you. That's exactly why unveiling today is so meaningful. Standing here today is proof that perseverance works. It's proof that student-led engineering at Penn can operate at an incredibly high level. And is proof that when talented, driven students all rally around a shared mission, they can truly create something remarkable. Now, I'd like to hand it over to some of our technical sub-team leads to talk about this year's innovation.
And the watch, your Apple Watch, every time you touched it.
Thanks, Arjun. Hi, everyone. My name's Josh,
And I'm Jason.
and we're the mechanical sub-team leads for the 2025 to 2026 season. The mechanical sub-team is responsible for the design, manufacture, and integration of all the physical components on the vehicle. When Jason and I first sat down to draft up our mechanical timeline for this year, we really knew that it would be extremely aggressive. It would mean moving faster through design, building more efficiently, and making sure that nothing slipped through the cracks. However, not only did we hit our deadlines, we surpassed them to the point where we're even pushing some of them forwards. Now, as you take a look at REV11 in just a couple of moments, you may notice some scratches, dings, and wear. That is because, for the first time in team history, we're unveiling a fully functional vehicle with miles of testing already under its belt.
Woo!
REV11 is our lightest car to date, coming in at just under 430 pounds. And with a 0 to 60 of 2.6 seconds, which is actually faster than a Porsche 911, not only will it be one of the lightest cars at competition, it will also be one of the fastest. And when June rolls around, it will have driven 150 miles, more than twice the mileage of any other car in team history. To highlight some of the most exciting parts of the vehicle, I'll talk first about our accumulator, which is our battery pack. This year, our accumulator team was able to deliver a fully functional pack to our electrical team for testing before winter break, which is more than 3 months ahead of last year. Despite the time crunch, they were still able to deliver a highly optimized pack, boasting 5.3 kilowatt hours of energy, a peak voltage of 600 volts, and 80 kilowatts of power, which is enough to power 200 fridges, pushing innovation and driving sustainability in the EV industry.
Taking that electrical energy from the accumulator, our drivetrain system converts it into mechanical power on the ground. One of the biggest highlights is our custom planetary gearbox. And this year, we are able to conduct extensive stress testing of our gearbox and motor on our in-house dynamometer, essentially running the equivalent of 50 miles before our tires even hit the ground. Our aerodynamics team as well had incredible progress this year, running over 300 simulations for a total of 23 terabytes of CFD data. If you take a look at the aero package, you'll notice a new lofted rear wing element, 3D printed vortex generator, and multi-element side wings for more than 30% more downforce than last year's aero package. Additionally, our suspension team has also made great strides in efficiency and validation this year. Our suspension is adjustable yet, allowing us to leverage on-track to deliver a fully tuned car come competition. Furthermore, our chassis team has delivered its lightest chassis at just under 65 pounds, finding new ways to optimize for mass without sacrificing torsional stiffness. Lastly, our custom in-house vehicle dynamics simulations allows us to predict and profile real-time performance before our tires hit the ground. I'd like to give a special shout out to our meme shop for helping us a lot this year with our manufacturing timeline. Big thanks to Peter, Jason, Ari, and Pete. Without you guys, our manufacturing would not have been possible this year. And of course, our mechanical team can get the tires rolling on the ground, but it's our electrical team that gets our tires spinning. So I'm going to hand it to Oscar and Morgan to talk more about the electrical hardware system.
Thank you, Josh and Jason. I'm Oscar.
And I'm Morgan.
And we are the electrical hardware leads for REV11. The hardware team designs the nervous system that brings the car to life. From turning the car on to sending over 150 amps to the motor, we create the infrastructure that delivers the car across the finish line. This year on REV11, we feature 28 custom printed circuit boards with 13 unique designs. Beneath each board lies the hard work from our dedicated members to select complex components, route high-speed signals, and adhere to strict space constraints. To connect everything together, we manufactured a custom wiring harness containing over 300 feet of power and signal lines, which, if laid out one after another, would span more than an entire football field. This year, we took a large step towards having a more robust electrical system. In the world of electronics will go wrong, and so we added more fail-safes and backup plans onto all of our designs. This emphasis on serviceability and adaptability has led to us reaching our earliest driving deadline ever. We also revamped our low voltage power distribution network. Apart from the high voltage accumulator, we have a smaller low voltage battery which powers the car's boards, sensors, and fans and pumps to cool the motor. This year, we upgraded this pack by adding more cells, quadrupling the overall capacity, and we paired this new battery with a brand new battery management and power regulation board.
Our humble looking dashboard is actually an advanced edge computing system. It features a Raspberry Pi 5, 5G wireless connectivity, 1 terabyte onboard storage, and even touchscreen capability. This is like plugging in an iPhone into the important and allow us to squeeze out performance. And for REV11, we have designed and upgraded our data acquisition.
None of this happens alone. Think today, so please bear with me. To our supporters, our sponsors, alumni, friends, and family, thank you so much. Your support does more than just power a race car. It powers opportunity. It gives students the opportunity to work on real systems, solve real problems, and grow through real responsibility. It turns belief in student potential into something that's visible. To Penn Engineering and the University of Pennsylvania, thank you so much for giving us the support, the trust, and the resources to pursuing something this ambitious. And I want to give a special shout out to Dr. Giuliano, Ryan Hopley, Killian Feeney, Dr. Johnny Wallet, Sid Deliwala, the EHRS, EOS, purchasing, the meme shop staff, the copy center staff, and overall the meme, SIS, and ESE departments. Your support and your guidance has helped make REV11 look so polished today. I also want to take a moment to shout out people who have had tremendous responsibility on the team this year, and that's our sub-team leads and our subsystem leads. Your commitment, let's give a round of applause. Your commitment and your belief in what we can achieve together has been genuinely so inspiring to me, and it's been a genuine privilege to grow and learn throughout this entire year with you all. You've shown both sides of PR leadership, not just putting parts onto a car, but into fostering the next